Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use the hyper-expressive effect on TikTok. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So as you can see, when you use this effect on TikTok, it makes your expression more hyper. So let me show you how to use this effect and how to find it. So first you want to go ahead and open up TikTok. Next you want to tap on search, and here you're searching for hyper expressive filter. Tap on it. Now in the search results you'll find hyper expressive, which will be under effects. Tap on it. This is how it looks like. Now once you're ready to use, tap on use this effect at the bottom. This will now take you to TikTok's recording screen. And as you can see, it has already started applying the effect on my face. So it depends, if you open up your face more wide, it'll give a hyper expression. Now don't forget to add the trending sound to this effect. So tap on add sound. On the screen, you want to go ahead and search for the following: original sound dash munx MUNX.07. So this is the song which you're looking for. I'll put it in my favorites. So I found it in my favorites. And now you can go ahead and record your very own TikTok video using the hyper expression filter on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.